In today's video, you're going to get to see an absolutely beautiful Volkswagen. Hello everybody and welcome to Classic Car ChitChat. My name is Kevin. If this is the first time you're coming to my channel, then welcome. I really appreciate you being here today. If you've been to my channel before, then as always, welcome back. Thank you so much for the comments that you leave for me, for your thumbs up, you subscribing to my channel, and also remembering to hit that notification bell so you know when the next video is being released. Today you're going to meet a gentleman. His name is Giorgio. Giorgio has an absolutely gorgeous 1960 Volkswagen Beetle. This car is beautiful. It's the original color. His dad used to own one in Italy, and that's what made him go and buy this one as well. It's got so many unique things on it. It's got a vintage luggage rack on top. It's got some old Coke containers and bottles and toolboxes and everything else. The car just screams absolute stunningness in so many ways. It even has a surfboard, and the best of all, it's got a bug deflector. So without further ado, let's hop in, let's go for a drive, and let's check out this beautiful 1960 Volkswagen. Giorgio, rev the engine for me, sir. Okay, beautiful. Turn it off. Giorgio, this is one cute car, man. I tell you, it's beautiful. Tell me what this is.
It's a 1960 Volkswagen Beetle. Original
1960.
German. 1960.
Wow. How long have you had it?
I have it for like 8 years.
But why the Volkswagen, Giorgio? Why did you want this particular car?
My dad used to have one. Interesting enough, exactly the same color. Since then, I love them.
Really good for you.
Just good memories when I was a kid, going a lot of places in one of these. I love them.
And where did your dad own the car? Like here in Canada?
No, long time ago,
Which country?
back in Italy.
Italy, wow. So he didn't have an Italian car, he drove a Volkswagen. It's beautiful.
We never drove a Fiat, we drove a Volkswagen.
My God. Oh, she's absolutely lovely. So when you got this car, Giorgio, what condition was it in?
It was in really good condition.
Okay.
I did minor things to it, just lower, narrow, white wall tires, stuff like that.
It's lovely. And all the trim pieces here, like this is the original bumper style, like no changes, you haven't
I
modified?
changed some stuff. Yeah, I changed.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
But would that be like the stock style bumper from back
That is
in
the
the
stock.
day?
Yeah.
Giorgio,
Mostly.
I have to ask you, what is this device?
Interested. That is the bug deflector.
No way, seriously?
It works.
Does it really work?
Amazingly works. Yeah.
Wow. That is so cool. It looks so sharp as well. That's very, very fantastic. I absolutely love this car.
It's a 1960s, so the raccoon tail, the cooler from the 60s. I have a lunchbox from the 60s as well.
This
Everything
is
that-
it? Oh
Yeah.
my God. What about the suitcase as well? Is that from the,
suitcase.
oh my goodness. It's
In a lunchbox from the 60s.
Oh, it's beautiful, beautiful. Hey, this luggage rack is again all original for
It's
the
original.
Volkswagen?
It's original, yes.
My gosh. The condition of this car is beautiful. So did you have it
you.
repainted?
No,
So this is the
it's
paint?
still the original
When you got
one.
it, it was like
when
this?
I got it, yeah.
It's so
It has
beautiful.
the blinds in the
Giorgio.
back, origin plate, because back in the time the cars driving in Europe, they used to have that plate
Right.
from the country they were coming from. That is from Deutschland, Germany.
Okay. Now what about the exhaust? You put those in.
I got those. Yeah.
Yes, I like that. A little bit extra chrome never hurt anybody. And look at the engine. My gosh.
Original.
It's tiny, but it's timeless, right?
It's timeless.
Oh, fantastic.
It's amazing. This car is covered for 6 months. As soon as I remove the tarp, turn on right away.
My gosh. And do you maintain it yourself, or do you?
I
go-
do.
Yeah?
It's pretty basic, so a lot of stuff I do it by myself.
I love it. This wire here, Giorgio, where is that going to exactly? Oh, is that the
For the
light
light.
there? Oh
For
my
the light
God.
for the plate.
That's fantastic. Oh, what a lovely, lovely car. It just makes you smile. When you see a Volkswagen like this, it's like, wow.
It's going 100 miles per hour.
So now, when this car was made in Germany, they had the Deutsche Marke there, but what about the license plate? Was that originally would have been a different plate?
This car was made in Germany and shipped originally to Alaska in the States.
No way.
He spends mostly all his life in Anchorage.
My goodness. So how did you find the car?
Was brought to Canada 20 years ago, and I
Yes.
have it for like 8 years. 8 years have it. A friend of mine had this car in good condition. I'm glad he agreed to sell it to me.
But it's lovely and straight as well. Everything just is just
Thank
so nice. Your white wall tires say it all, though. I do like that, and the surfboard as well.
I cannot imagine a classic vehicle without the white wall tires.
Oh, definitely, yes. How much space do you have in the front?
You won't believe the trunk is pretty large.
Oh, you've got even got it's a full-size spare tire as well.
Yeah.
My goodness me. This is where you put the fuel?
This is the tank, yeah.
So
This
you
is gas
open
tank.
you
I
open
have to open
the
this
front.
just to fuel the vehicle.
My goodness. Oh, it's lovely. And I love the color of the toolbox.
The
as well.
toolbox.
The carpeting and everything, Giorgio, is something like original coloring, everything else?
Yes. Yes.
Beautiful condition. Just magnificent. Wow. A labor of love for sure. And you drive her, you go far, like many places you travel to?
During the season, a lot of places,
Yes.
as far as the Niagara Falls,
Okay.
Hamilton, all those places, I'm going often there.
Very cool. Oh, she's absolutely stunning.
60, yeah.
Can I take a look inside?
Absolutely.
Actually, let me go to the driver's side first.
Thank you.
Giorgio, the simplicity is magnificent, isn't it?
Thank you. Yeah.
I like your basket there too. That is just beautiful.
There's the AC.
Yes, AC, exactly, right? Oh, wow. What is this here in the middle, Giorgio? Is that the...
That's for the radio.
oh, so
but I
that's
don't
a
have
space holder for a radio.
It's for the radio.
Okay. Oh, fantastic. I love it. Just such a beautiful, beautiful machine. I like these wooden beads too. That brings back so many memories of the old days as well.
It works amazing as well.
And who's your friend back here?
I have a large dog at home, but I have to replace it.
Oh,
I cannot drive with it.
Okay. Oh, it's beautiful. Giorgio, my friend, this is just a magnificent looking
Thank you.
car. What about the mats here? Again, all from original style mats? Is
Original style mats are made of coconut fiber.
this- Wow. You don't see that every day these days, do we?
I try to keep it as original as possible.
I just love everything about this car. It's just amazing. And in terms of the gearing, it's just, what is it, a 4-speed or 3-speed?
Four.
4-speed.
It has 4.
Oh, there it is, yeah. Just make it out. Gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I love it.
Thank you.
The white wall tires says it all though, doesn't it?
I love those.
What about the taillights? Are these LEDs now?
No, that's original. Everything is original.
No way.
Yeah, everything is original.
Wow, it could pass for like modern day LED
It
headlights.
could, yeah, but those are the original ones.
Oh. And the louvers, again, all original? Is that the louvers that would have come in the car?
That is the original style, yes. They used to have that back in the time.
And how do you actually adjust it? Just a manual adjustment, is it?
Yeah, just manual.
Oh, fantastic.
I'm sorry?
Could I take a picture?
Absolutely. Go ahead, please.
I'd like to ask.
Absolutely.
Oh, she's lovely. And this is the jack point?
That's
jack
for
it
the
up,
jack.
yeah?
Yeah, that's correct.
Oh, just an absolute beauty. And it's nice to see a little bit of Italy back here as well, so it's all good.
Some stuff.
Question for you. The headlamp shields there, again, all stock, that's the way it came?
It's the stuff you used to have back in the time. Yeah.
And this is the original Volkswagen symbol?
It is. That is the Wolfsburg.
My gosh.
Yeah, that's original from the 60s.
Wow. It's just such a beautiful, beautiful machine.
Thank you.
Definitely puts a smile on everybody's face, doesn't it?
It does. It's amazing. Everybody loves
Absolutely.
it.
Like everything about this car just kind of screams cool. Oh, it just is very, very sharp. And the color is something else.
I love the color. Yeah.
What is the name of the color?
I think that is Mexican beige, something like that. It is.
It suits it so, so nicely.
It's so classic. I love it. Yeah.
And even your hubcaps, like beautiful, big chrome, and it's nice. Well, we talked enough. Shall we go for a little drive?
Absolutely.
Let's do that.
Let's do it.
Okay. And no seatbelts, none of that stuff. Who needs seatbelts, right?
No.
I love
seatbelt.
your bug deflector. That is the most incredible thing I've seen.
It's amazing, and it does the job.
Absolutely. Giorgio, there is something magical about the sound of a Volkswagen engine. Wow. So we turn left here. So Giorgio, I'm just looking here. There are literally no dials other than your speedometer. No rev counter, no voltage, no nothing. This is
Nothing.
it. Oh, it's lovely. What's the mileage on it now?
It has 17.
17,000 miles, I'm assuming?
This is miles.
Yeah. And how many did you have when you bought the car then?
Around 8.
Okay.
I
so
don't drive it too
no,
much.
no,
No.
you're kind of like me. Just,
I'm just-
maybe 1,000 or 2 if you're lucky in a year.
Exactly. I'm
Yes.
just going out when the weather is nice, going to car shows, that's it.
Exactly. What do these knobs do, by the way? Oh, ashtray.
Ashtray.
Oh, and the lighter.
And the lighter.
Absolutely, yes. And these two?
That's for the
Wiper.
wipers
Okay.
and the lights.
And the lights. Very cool. And I love the glove box and everything here. Such a beauty. What is this knob here?
It's for the heating.
It's for the what?
Heating. You just
No
turn
way.
it. Yeah.
That's the heater?
That's the heater.
So this is how you adjust it?
Just from
I love
it's
it.
straight from the engine. It's coming in.
Oh my gosh. I do love the louvers back there too. That just brings back
I
so
love
many
that.
memories.
Yeah, that is totally from those times. I love them.
And also your extra air conditioning system here with the side mirrors and
there,
everything
yeah.
else. And that really nice one over there that you have to pay extra for. Oh, it's beautiful. So Giorgio, what was the very first car you ever drove? Whoops. There we go.
I did drove a Fiat.
Which one?
A tiny Panda, a Fiat Panda,
Oh yes.
tiny car.
And how long did you have the Panda?
I have the Panda, not for too long. That was my very first car, tiny thing. I love it.
And at the stop sign, we'll turn right again. So you said your dad had the very same car?
It's very similar. Yeah.
Very similar,
Was
same
a little-
color, same everything.
Same color. It was newer. Was 1966.
Okay. And was there much difference between the 60 and the 66?
Pretty similar.
Similar car?
That was the very last year of this body. Then
Yes.
the Super Beetle came.
So in the 1960, this particular car, what is the engine size?
1200 cc.
1200 cc.
1200
Wow.
cc.
It's so nice. Occasionally
I
I
love
meet
the
people
sound
like
as well.
you that has a smaller engine than my MG, which is 1.8 liter, which is nothing.
Oh no, this is tiny.
Oh, it's lovely though. It's a motorcycle engine almost.
It's like a motorcycle. It's smaller than some motorcycles actually.
Yes.
Yeah.
So Giorgio, does it have high beams?
No,
No high beam. Okay.
just the regular light.
Just regular lights, okay. So you just drive and you hope for the best.
Exactly. I try not to drive at night, but yeah.
Yes. Oh, she's just beautiful. I love your bug deflector.
Everybody likes that.
I think you
a
can
lot
look-
of
you
people
can look
ask
at
me
that all
what it
day
is.
long,
A lot
yes.
of people, what it is that? That's the bug deflector. No way, it works. Absolutely, that's the job. Amazing.
So did you have to play with the positioning of that to get the right spot, or you just
No,
got it?
no,
It's
I
just
just-
that's it. Okay. Oh, it's beautiful. So when you bought this car, Giorgio, were you looking for a Volkswagen, or did you just happen to come? You
I
just
wa-
happened to happen in the right way, and we'll turn right here again.
I was looking for a pickup truck from the 60s.
Oh yes.
And I found this car. I saw it, and I fall in love with it.
So you went from a pickup truck to the Volkswagen.
The Volkswagen.
Amazing.
When I saw it, I was
This
too
is the
many
one.
nice memories. Said, no,
Yes.
I love this car. I was in love with it.
It's hard not to love this car, though, you know, Giorgio.
It is.
It's got everything you want.
I truly love it.
It makes you happy every time you go get behind the wheel and just take it out, especially on days like this. A little bit chilly, but
You
it's
were
sunny
totally
and it's
right.
good.
It was
Yes.
beautiful. Say no. I love yours.
Oh, thank you.
I'm gonna show you. I have a lot of pictures of your car in my phone.
Oh, do you really? So while you're looking at mine, I'm looking at your car. Wonderful. Okay. I love the door panels too, Giorgio.
I love it as well. Yeah, I was.
Beautiful. Oh, she's just gorgeous. What do I say to you? I love everything about this vehicle.
Thank
I
you.
love the roof rack. I love, look, even ladies over there. Isn't it gorgeous? It is a surfboard, yes. It wouldn't be a Volkswagen without a surfboard on top, right? So it's just beautiful. Yes.
Thank you.
We're just missing the ocean, right? And we're in sunny California. All right. Hey, sizes and everything, ladies. Oh my God, Giorgio. Beautiful. Okay, so you have photos of my car, you're
I have a
saying?
lot of pictures of your car.
Okay.
Because I was walking with my girl. I said, look at this beauty. And she said, oh my God, that's a gorgeous car. She's German. And she was telling me that where she's from,
Right.
very rarely they have car shows or
MGs,
stuff
yeah.
like
Oh,
that.
right, okay.
Look at that. I have it there.
Oh, you're not
I have
kidding.
it with a.
It's hard to
you
see
have
in
some
here,
luggage
but
in
yes,
there.
I do.
I have it the interior.
Oh,
Because look
very
at this
cool.
beauty. It's gorgeous.
Thank
I
you,
love
sir.
your car. You know
Oh,
what?
thank you.
And she was, oh my God. And she got a lot of pictures with her phone as well. Because it's a beauty.
I appreciate it. Thank you. All right, Giorgio, what do I say? Thank you so much. Thank you for coming out
Thank
to
you,
see
Kevin.
me.
Thank
She's
you.
absolutely gorgeous, and you know this already. And it was such a fun time to meet you and to see your beautiful car again up close and personal.
Thank you,
And
Kevin.
the
It was a
white
real
wall
pleasure.
tires, the surfboard, the cooler up top, everything is just perfect.
Thank you, Kevin. I appreciate that.
Thank you.